Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question number 15, Part C. The diagram shows the graph of y equals x divided by 2 minus 1. By drawing a suitable straight line on the grid, solve 2 divided by x minus 1 equals 0. In this question, we need to draw a suitable straight line for the given equation as the first step. Then, in the second step, we need to identify the x-coordinates of the points where this line intersects the given graph. For the first step, let's simplify the given equation. The equation of the graph is y equals 2 divided by x minus 1. The given equation is 2 divided by x minus 1 equals 0. It can also be written as 2 divided by x minus 1 equals x. As we know that 2 divided by x minus 1 equals y, our equation becomes y equals x. Now that we have simplified the given equation to y equals x, let's draw its straight line on the graph. We can see that this line intersects the given graph at 2 points. The x-coordinate of the first point is 1, and the x-coordinate of the other point is minus 2. So x equals 1 or x equals minus 2 is our answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with others. Have a nice day.